Okay, I'm gonna try this new camera. Got a mic in place and heading to choir practice. Everything's in the green, except for water temperature, if you can see that. And that will come in line shortly. Clear the platform. Turn around, look at the windsock. Like it's light out of the north-northwest. Hesitate right here for a second. And we're ready to go. Big city of Valley View. About a 25-mile drive and about 16, 17-mile flight. Do this enough, I've got some items on the horizon there that I know if I head near those, I'll be right on course. Or we can get lazy and bring up the map. Beautiful day for flying. We got a whole week coming up. We're about 80 degrees and light winds and no rain. Kind of a letdown after, a week and a half ago now we had 20, 25 ships on the property and everybody's flying constantly and going places. I got somebody ran up to me at church this morning and said, "What's the deal with all the helicopters?" So very naturally I had to explain to her. If I told her I'd have to kill her. Small town, 700 people, all of a sudden have a bunch of helicopters around it. Makes them wonder. I explained it all, and she thought that was pretty cool. I guess this is the first narrative I've had since I've been flying the new engine that Mr. Huff built for me. And when the engine was brand new from Rotorway, I was doing about 10.25 gallons per hour. And having 17 gallons on board, that meant 1.3 hours I needed to be on the skids to be within your 20 minutes of alternate fuel, reserve fuel. So I running about 7.6 gallons per hour now, and that's if I have a stop. So you got lower fuel burn during the warm-up and cool down, but if I flight plan about 8 gallons an hour, I'll have very easily an hour and a half of flight time before I have to consider my 20 minutes of reserve fuel. So it's doing real well for me, running good and strong. Same amount of throttle position gives me 5 or 10 mile an hour extra speed, so I'm running a little bit less throttle as well. Also can account for some of the better fuel burns, of course. The lady owns the ranch down there, and she has a helipad. Always wanted to drop onto it just to wave high, but nobody flies in and out of there anymore. So who knows what the response would be. Those of you that notice that there's my hat. Not the white one right now. It's getting cool out there, and I'll certainly need it when I get on the ground tonight. So feels good. And of course it'll match my boots. Yep, it's recording. I've noticed this GoPro Hero Black 12 or whatever order those go in doesn't have near the battery life that my my Drift Ghost HD2 had. We'll see. Maybe some of you can give me an update on how I could actually view those files on my computer, because it's MPEG-4 file, I'm pretty sure, and my Windows unit doesn't seem to talk to it well. So they say, like and make comments below. Bunch of buzzards. I think I'll give them their space. They're kind of the reason I went ahead and got my helmet, so I can have my blast shield for big birds. sure they wouldn't even slow down coming through this windscreen. We got the landing zone in sight. No need for navigate anymore. Wow, I'm going to be early. That's all right. I'd like to start up the time to know that I could still drive if I need to, and everything went really smoothly. Oh, well, might as well go fly. Don't throw me in that briar patch. Get some rotor slap going here. Looks like the winds agree with what I had at the house. A U.S. flag out in the field. I guess I'll go retrieve that. We had 50-mile-an-hour winds here the other day. It's probably got loose from somebody. All right. Parking lot with nice parallel stripes. Let's see if I can park in there and not get outside the line. blew the lid off the trash can. Oh, sit still. Alrighty, that's enough is enough. Thanks for the ride. Maybe I'll remember to turn it on leaving here.